everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today we are diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, and this one's all about style, speed and smart photography. Samsung's taken their curved display game to a whole new level, and the AI upgrades to the camera are seriously impressive. Let's get into everything you need to know. The Galaxy S26 Edge features Samsung's sleekest and slimmest design yet. It's incredibly thin at just 7.1mm with beautifully curved edges and a refined aluminum frame that gives it that premium futuristic feel. You are looking at a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming buttery smooth. It also heats up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, making it easily viewable even in direct sunlight. Now let's talk cameras, and yes, Samsung won't be here too. On the back, you have a good 200 megapixel main sensor with AI-powered image processing, improved night mode, and next-gen HDR. There is also a 50 megapixels ultra-wide and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. What's new is framing assistant, which adjusts angles and cropping automatically, plus auto video enhanced which stabilizes shaky handheld shots in real time. On the front, there is a 12 megapixel selfie cam now with upgraded AI face tracking and better low light performance. Under the hood, the S26 Edge is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 built on a 3nm process for more performance with less heat. You are getting 12GB of RAM standard and up to 1TB of internal storage. Battery life is no sludge ether with a 5000 mAh battery plus 65W wired fast charging and 35W wireless. And yes, it supports reverse wireless charging too. The S26 runs on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, and it includes Samsung's latest AI tools like Galaxy 8 AI Translate, Live Call Summary, and Generative Wallpaper Creator. Samsung's also promising 7 years of software upgrades, which brings it in line with Google Enable. Now let's talk availability. The Galaxy S26 Edge is expected to launch in February 2026 right after Samsung Unpacked event. Expected prices is around $1,199 USD for the base model, with higher storage tiers going up from there. So to sum it up, the Galaxy S26 Edge is not just about flashy curves anymore, with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate, top-tier camera tech, and AI features built into every corner. This could be one of the 2026 best Android phones. What do you think? Is the S26 Edge worth the hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss the next drop.